Good day! Ngayon, i-discuss ko yung tinuro ni Sir Penelio at magbibigay tayo ng sample problem. A truss is a structure composed of slender members joined together at their endpoints. So punta na tayo sa sample problem. Example 6.1. Determine the force in each member of the truss shown in figure 6 to 8a and indicate whether the members are in tension or compression. So ito yung diagram ng ating given. And yung required na hanapin is yung FAB, FBC, and FAC. So dapat may free diagram tayo. Kaya in-isolate ko yung joint B at ito yung mga naging given niya. So para makuha natin yung FBC, so summation of Fx to the right is positive and it is equal to 0. So yung mga forces natin sa Fx is itong 500 Newton, kaya minus siya dahil to the left yung FBC cos 45 degrees is equal to 0. So isolve lang natin siya. Ilipat natin yung FBC sa kabila. So FBC cos 45 degrees is equal to 500 Newton, divide both side by cosine 45. And pag sinolve natin siya, ang answer ay 707.1 Newton at ang type niya is compression. So FAB naman tayo. Summation of forces to the y direction upward is positive is equal to 0. FBC sin 45, ito siya. And kaya minus yung FAB kasi downward siya. So it is equal to 0. So pag sinolve natin siya, FAB is equal to 707.1 Newton sin 45. And ang magiging value niya is FAB is equal to 499.99 or round off of 500 Newton, and ang type niya is tension. And dun naman tayo sa FAC. So ito, may free body diagram ulit tayo. Ito. So ito na yung given niya. So summation of forces to the x to the right is positive is equal to 0. So 707.1 Newton cosine 45 degrees minus FAC is equal to 0. So lipat natin FAC. FAC is equal to 707.1 Newton cosine 45 degrees. So ang sagot is FAC 499.99 or 500 Newton at ang type niya is tension.